it's Margaret Boy, interview coach, helping you get hired, promoted and paid more. Over the last 13 years, I've helped hundreds of job seekers worldwide to get the jobs and promotions they wanted. I put up brand new videos on my YouTube channel a few times per month, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today I wanted to talk about how to get referred for a job. If you are tired of your applications falling into a black hole and you want a better way to communicate with a potential employer and secure an interview, then you need to get referred. Being referred for a job significantly increases your chances of getting an interview. So how do you do that? There are a few ways to get referred. Firstly, you can proactively get connected, then referred. Before a job is posted, contact people who work inside these companies you are interested in working for. You will want to meet or talk with them and find out what is it like to work there. The best time to do that is before the job is open. The secret is staying in touch with these insiders so that when the job is posted, they will think of you and reach out to let you know about the opportunity. The second way to get referred happens after you found an opportunity, so you can reactively find a referral. Use your in-person network or LinkedIn to identify friends of friends of friends inside of the company. It's easier and faster to reach out to people you've been networking with inside the company and ask them to refer you rather than try to build new relationships with insiders. Thirdly, LinkedIn Get Referred feature. Not only can you search for people you know using LinkedIn, but you can now also use LinkedIn job search filter to search for jobs where you have connections. From the desktop version of LinkedIn, go to the Jobs tab. You will see a section that says Jobs where you can get referred. This allows you to first focus on jobs where you have connections. View the jobs and the people you know inside of the company and identify the best person to refer you. Choose either someone you know well or someone who is familiar with your work. Asking someone you don't know very well, or if you don't know them at all, can be awkward and will probably not get you the desired result. Once you find the best connection to refer you, LinkedIn allows you to send a message directly from the job posting. The recipient will also receive a link to the job posting, and LinkedIn supplies a basic message which you can edit. And finally, email your inside contact instead. Many people, including myself, don't receive email notifications from LinkedIn, so you may want to reach out via email instead. Here's what your email message should include. Remind the connection how you know each other. Reference the job. Explain briefly why you're a good fit and state why you're interested. That's it. I hope that you found these tips useful. The best way to get your resume to the top of the stack is to tap the people you know or meet inside the company, as long as you meet the desired qualifications, of course. I hope that you found these tips useful. If you like this video, feel free to share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon on another video. Bye for now.